If you're encountering a forbidden error while trying to use Reddit is fun, you're experiencing the aftermath of one of the most significant changes in Reddit's history. The root cause traces back to July 2023, when Reddit implemented dramatic changes to its API pricing structure. This single decision effectively killed most third-party Reddit clients, including the beloved Reddit is Fun app. The new API pricing model charges 24 cents per 1,000 API calls. This pricing structure made it financially impossible for third-party developers to continue operations, with some apps facing costs exceeding $20 million annually. As of August 2025, Reddit is Fun has effectively ceased functioning for regular users. While the app remains available in app stores, attempting to use it results in HTTP 403 forbidden errors. The forbidden errors stem from several technical issues. Reddit has revoked API access for non-compliant applications, modified OAuth authentication requirements, implemented user agent blocking, and enforced aggressive rate limiting on third-party requests. These changes represent more than just technical issues. They reflect Reddit's strategic shift toward monetizing their platform and controlling user access. Third-party apps like Reddit is Fun became casualties of this broader business transformation. Understanding these technical and business factors helps explain why the forbidden error isn't something that can be easily fixed. It's the result of fundamental changes to how Reddit operates. Unfortunately, the options for Reddit is Fun users are extremely limited. The API changes have effectively ended the app's functionality, leaving users with few viable alternatives. Reddit did provide one exemption. Moderators of subreddits can still access limited functionality. However, this requires verification of moderator status and offers significantly restricted features compared to the full Reddit is Fun experience. Your main alternatives are switching to the official Reddit app or using Reddit's mobile website. The official app provides full functionality but lacks the customization and ad-free experience that Reddit is Fun users enjoyed. The mobile web version requires no app installation but offers limited features and slower performance. Many users have attempted various troubleshooting steps hoping to restore functionality. These include clearing the app's cache, reinstalling the application, logging out and back in, and updating to the latest version. Unfortunately, these attempts rarely succeed because the issue stems from API policy changes, not technical bugs. The future of Reddit is Fun looks bleak. It's highly unlikely the app will return to full functionality given Reddit's current API policies. This situation reflects a broader industry trend where platforms are restricting third-party access to protect their advertising revenue and force users onto official applications. However, this trend may lead to new solutions. We might see the emergence of paid third-party applications that can afford Reddit's API pricing, the development of decentralized alternatives that don't rely on centralized APIs, or even regulatory intervention to ensure fair API access for developers and users. The Reddit is Fun situation serves as a crucial lesson about the risks of depending on proprietary APIs and the changing economics of digital platforms. While the immediate outlook is disappointing for users, it may ultimately drive innovation toward more open and sustainable alternatives.